Yo, what's good, guys? All right, what's going on, guys? So it's Wednesday, September 18th, and today I wanted to talk about the times you should trade. Obviously, we all trade differently, or obviously, depending on how you trade, you're going to want to trade at certain times. For me, I trade based off order flow, and that is basically all scalping, unless I let a position run, like with the runner, or more of a set and forget, if you will. Yeah, I got a comment the other day, and someone was asking me to make a video about when to trade. And yeah, it's going to be different for everyone based off how you trade and what the strategy you're trading is. But for me, you guys know probably by now that I trade based off order flow and I'm scalping unless I let a runner go that I just kind of like set and forget. But with that being said, my ideal time to trade personally is from market open New York session to about 11 Eastern time. So that's like an hour and a half window. And so, yeah, that's about an hour and a half window. So when I first started trading, I would actually just put an entry on, and then a lot of times I would let it go for a while. There would be times when I first started trading where I would be have an entry at like an entry in that time window somewhere, and I would be staring at the screen until like 2, 3 p.m. And that is just not what I want to be doing. To me, that's not fun. I don't enjoy sitting here and staring at a chart all day long. I know some people think that they can do that and find every opportunity the day presents, but me personally, I like to just get one winner and I leave. I don't have a single trading day since December that I have won two full size trades on. And you can say that that's wrong, but that's just how I like to do it. Like my best trades, they last anywhere from 15 to like 30 minutes max around there, unless I let a runner go longer. But so my typical winner is around 15 to 30 minutes, I would say. And as soon as I get it, I don't care if I already got a 15-point winner by 9:50 and it's only been 20 minutes since open, I will close my screens and walk away after that point. That's just how I do it. Like I said, people will agree with that, disagree with that. That's just how I personally like to do it. I've never been like, I don't want to sit here and look at this shit for the whole day. That just sounds awful to me. But really, I guess the point of the video is it depends what you're doing and what kind of conditions the strategy you are trading works best in. Like today's actually a perfect example. So today is September 18th. It's FOMC today, and that's at 2 Eastern. If any of you guys are watching this and you traded this session in the morning, you saw, at least talking about ES, you saw ES move in like, let's just see real quick. First 2 hours of the session traded in a 13-point range. So that is like the perfect example of when I would not want to trade, and I didn't trade. I showed up today and I was kind of expecting the exact type of action that we saw, just because usually when there's a big event like FOMC, beforehand, the market likes to just balance around and not do anything because people are waiting to make a decision until FOMC. So to answer that person's question on when the best time to trade is, I would say it's probably different for everybody. If you are a scalper and you like to trade based off order flow or price action, you're probably going to want to trade during the beginning of sessions where the most volatility and volume is presented, because those will probably give you the best setups and the clearest setups to play with. Like today, for another thing that I wanted to talk about in this video, I forgot. But yeah, with that being said, that brings me to the point that not every day is good to trade. I'm sure everyone that follows me has heard that already, that you probably shouldn't trade every day. But it's not like you shouldn't trade every day because you might lose. You shouldn't trade every day because the conditions might not be the best. Some days are better for scalping and some days are not, like today. So so I would say that, yeah, my opinion, the best times to trade is probably from market open to like 11 or 11:30, 12 maybe on Eastern time if you're pushing it. And then maybe the end of day because you can see some volume and volatility at the end of the day. It just all depends on what you trade. Like I literally only trade ES and I literally trade based off order flow data. So I'm very happy showing up to my desk at like 8, 8:30. Market opens at 9:30 and then I'm just out of there by like 10 or sorry, I'm out of there by like 11. That is personally what I shoot for every day. And if I, but yeah, let's say like a day like today, I show up and I see price trading in like a 7 point range in the first 30 minutes, I'm just going to walk away because I've tried to trade days where conditions are like this and it's always just extremely stressful. And you're basically just like praying that your position is side that's favorable to where the market's going. If you're scalping, I would just say stay away from bad conditions as a whole. And that's that. So yeah, I did kind of yap a little bit in that video, like all of my other videos. But to to sum it all up, I would say it depends on what you trade. Sometimes trading in the morning might be better for you. Sometimes trading in the middle of the night might be better for you. For me, what's best is showing up at market open and leaving within 2 hours. And that's what I do every day. And it's worked out well. So I'm just going to keep doing that. But yeah, everyone's different. I personally don't like staring at a screen all day. So that's all I got for you. I'll catch you guys in the next one.